Greetings, friends! Welcome back to MH Alien Tutors YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about something super cool: algebra. It's like a magical language that helps us play with numbers in a fun way. So, what is algebra? Well, it's a part of mathematics that uses special symbols and rules to do some awesome tricks with numbers. Imagine it like a math superhero. It can also be stated as expressing numbers using letters or variables without specifying their actual values. Now, in algebra, we use letters and symbols to talk about numbers. These letters, like X, Y, and Z, are our number heroes. They stand for numbers we might not know yet, like secret codes waiting to be revealed. It can also be stated as letters such as X, Y, Z, etc., used to represent unknown or changing values. But wait, there's more! We also have some steady friends called constants. These are numbers that don't change. And then we have coefficients, which are like the sidekicks that help our number heroes shine. Constants can also be stated as numeric values that do not change in the expression, and coefficients as the numerical factor that is multiplied by a variable. Let's take a simple example. If we say X is 2, Y is 3, and Z is 1, our number heroes are ready for action. So, 2x plus 3y 5z becomes 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3 minus 5 multiplied by 1. And guess what? When we put it all together, we get a super cool number, like 8. Now, let's talk about something called algebraic expressions. These are like special math sentences that use our number heroes. For example, if we say 3x plus 2y, that's an algebraic expression. It's like a code that tells us 3 times some number which is x plus 2 times another number which is y. Or an algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which is made up of variables and constants, along with algebraic operations, addition, subtraction, etc. Imagine you have a puzzle where you know the total, but some parts are missing. That's where algebra comes to the rescue. Let's say you have a box of chocolates, and you know you have 3 times the chocolates plus 2 times the candies, and the total is 20. We can write that as 3x plus 2y equals 20. Algebra helps us find the values of x and y. It's like being a detective solving delicious mysteries. But wait, there's more magic. We can also use algebra to create cool pictures called graphs. Imagine plotting points on a magical map. Each point has special coordinates, like 2, 4, and algebra helps us draw lines and curves that tell amazing stories about numbers. Algebra isn't just about numbers. It's about solving real-life problems. Picture this: you have some money, and you spend 3 times as much on toys as you do on books. Algebra helps us set up equations to figure out how much you spent on each. It's like bringing math into our everyday adventures. Consider a word problem that suppose you have saved up 1,500 rupees to buy books and toys for your younger siblings. You've decided to allocate your money. Let X represent the amount you spend on books. How can we express the amount you spend on toys in terms of X? Using algebra, set up an equation to find the values of X and Y, representing the amounts spent on books and toys, respectively. So by finding the value of X and Y using algebra, we get our answer. Wow, we've covered a lot today, and I hope you're as excited about algebra as I am. We learned about algebraic expressions, solving puzzles, creating graphs, and tackling real-life challenges. If you enjoyed the journey, give it a thumbs up, like, share with your classmates and friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more math magic. If you have got any question regarding this video or want me to make a video on your topic of interest, then feel free to ask in comments section below. Thanks for exploring the world of algebra with me. Until our next math adventure, keep shining bright, my math buddies.